In this video, we're going to talk about how to use the tools section within 1Brain. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump back in to the system that we were creating before about how to create short links using Bitly. And we already added a video in, and we'll talk more about adding videos in a little bit later on. But now we're going to add in some copy. And so just to save time, I wrote some copy about why we have this particular system. And so I put that at the top. And what you could do is then add in the heading, and you could either add in what's the purpose of this particular system if you want, or you can use why this system, just to give people some background. And if that was what I wanted to be the heading, I can go down here and I can then make that either a H1, which is very, very big. I normally like the mid-size, which is the H2. And then we also have an even smaller heading, which is a H3. And that's the smallest heading we have. So basically think large, medium, small headings, okay? Then from there, we have our copy. There like so, and underneath we have our video. Now, if we have a look up here, we'll be able to see this all should look very, very familiar. If you've ever used Microsoft Word before, or any type of word processing document, you can see what's going to happen when we click this button, right? Bold, italic, underline. This is a strike through. Here is where you can actually add in some custom code. So if you have some custom code, you can add that in there. This is where you can change the text color. This is where you can add like a highlighter mark over the top as well. Then we have alignment there. We've got line spacing. We've got bullet points. We've got numbers. We've got the ability to add tables. We've got the ability to link to either another system inside the 1Brain account. So effectively like a hyperlink, and that can be internal between pages, or it could be an external as well. So obviously you just click on it, you then click on the link, and you'll be able to then add in your destination URL. So what you want to link to, you just cut and paste the URL in there. And then if someone hovers over that blue link, then there'll be something that kind of pops up that's called the display text. And so you can go ahead and you can change that display text there as well. So you highlight whatever you want, and then you can insert the text. Then we can add in images, super simple. And we simply just go in here, upload the image, or if it's already in our folder, we can click there and then go add. So images are super simple. We've got videos, which we'll talk about in just a sec. We've then got emojis as well. We've got the ability to embed documents, which we'll cover in other videos too. And then here, you can also add in dates, and you can add in display messages. So if you want to say something really important, you can come down here and you can go display banner, and then we can say, please be careful when doing this, for example, or it could be another type of an alert, or it could be a tick here, or an information kind of like notice. So think of these as text you want to stand out a little bit more as well. And then you can also add in a status label as well. So that is how you're going to then add in your text. And just to show you, we're going to take some text over here from our Loom video that we just made, and what we're going to do is we're going to cut and paste all of this information here, which is a combination of text and also screenshots as well of the video we made. So we've now got our title right here. We've got our overview. We've got in a video. If we want to give the video a heading, we can. And so we're going to call this how to video. And we're going to make this a H2, so it matches the other one above. And then we've got our video in there like so. We think that's looking good. And then underneath the video, we're going to put in all of the steps. So we're going to cut and paste those right here. And we now have all of our screenshots in as well, which were taken from the actual video. So if someone wants to watch the full video with the commentary, they can, or if they just want the summary version, they can get the summary version as well. I'm going to make these headings a little bit smaller. So I'm going to make them H2s, and this is all looking good to me. And so we've got basically the system now built. If I want to add in any notices at the bottom, I can do so. Otherwise, I'm happy with this one. So we're going to click publish, and we now have a system which has text, it has a video, and it also has screenshots explaining exactly what to do step by step. In future videos, we'll talk about embedding documents and also embedding videos as well. But you need to know it's It's super simple. Once you've done it once, you can do it hundreds of times. It's just rinse and repeat. Thanks for watching this video. See you on the next one.